especially as teenagers, we evolve so quickly. And I really, for young girls, I really believe that, and myself now, and women now, you can change tomorrow. Even my mother, who's in her 60s, she'll kill me for saying that, but she is changing her entire life now. Like, we go through phases, we evolve, we're constantly evolving. And I think at that age, at that 13, 14 to 16-year-old range, we only see where we're at in the present, and we don't have that perspective of like, oh, I don't have to be delinquent, or I don't have to go that route. I could choose something else. And to just know that you have that option
Yeah.
is
That's the
helpful.
biggest tool, I think, for self-esteem building is knowing that you have the choice. So being in the driver's seat, being in charge of your life, being like, even with abandonment issues, it's like looking at dating and relationships and friendships. It's like, do I choose this person to be in my life? It's like, not, sometimes it's like, oh, am I worthy enough to be in their life? It's like, no. You have to change your mindset and be like, do I choose them to be in my life? Like, do I actually want this
Yeah.
person
I
or
think
this thing?
girls and women, we give our power away a lot. You know what I mean? And like, yeah, I mean, it can make me cry, but like, we really do. It's
Yeah.
like really frustrating that like no one talks to you about that stuff.